Students, welcome to the session. And in the previous assignment, we have discussed some of the interesting points which are related to excretion in plants. Same thing will continue, or same thing we are going to learn in this assignment also, which means one more assignment was framed based upon the plant excretion process. Let us see each and every question with the help of awesome examples and interesting solutions, whatever there for related question. First question, which part of the plants are used as alkaloids? Basically, the bark, leaves, fruits, seeds, generally used as an alkaloid in the plants. You know that the bark of a Cinchona officinalis plant. You might have learned about Cinchona officinalis. The Cinchona officinalis plant bark, it's a medicinal plant. Its bark produces an alkaloid, namely quinine. The quinine used as an anti-malarial drug in the preparation of anti-malarial drug. Suppose take the leaf of a Nicotiana tabacum, tobacco plant. Nicotiana tabacum or tobacco. Nicotiana tabacum. The leaves of a plant called Nicotiana tabacum plant, its leaves produces an alkaloid, namely nicotine, that generally used for the preparation and making of an insecticide. So, fruits of a particular plant, namely morphine. You know that morphine is one of the alkaloid that was extracted from the fruits, isn't it? So, the morphine generally used in the preparation of painkillers. Whereas if you see the seeds, some of the plant seeds like Coffea arabica, suppose take the coffee plant, Coffea arabica, caffeine. Coffea arabica plant seeds produces an alkaloid, namely caffeine, that was used to make central nervous system related medicines. So, central nervous system, which means brain related diseases or symptoms or disease characters removed or cured by an alkaloid, namely caffeine. Moving to next question, students. Name the alkaloid which are harmful to us. Can you guess some of the alkaloids are harmful to our body? Suppose take an alkaloid called nicotine. Take an alkaloid called nicotine. Nicotine was extracted by Nicotiana tabacum. Nicotiana tabacum. So, a plant, namely Nicotiana tabacum or tobacco plant leaves, especially the leaves, produces an alkaloid called nicotine. That nicotine has a direct effect upon the lungs. When you consume nicotine related or tobacco byproducts, what will happen? You know, lungs will be damaged. At the same time, heart functioning also will be damaged, which means heart also gets some harmful effects. Even the throat, even the mouth, even the other kind of visceral organs, internal visceral organs gets damaged with, even the blood related disorders are also occurs when you consume the nicotine, an alkaloid. So, best example for an alkaloid which is an harmful and most dangerous alkaloid among plant kingdom. Moving to next question. What are the uses of gums? You know that gums are widely used in the food industry. First importance of gums. So, gums are used in the food industry for thickening of food items like chocolates, berries, etc. The gums are widely used. And one more importance of gum. Gums are used as emulsifiers. Gums are used as emulsifiers. What are their uses? emulsifiers. Even the gums are used for stabilizers. While the reaction is going on in the reactor, stabilizers are required to continue the reaction. Best example for the stabilizer is a gum, which is a plant product. Even gums are used in the diet products. Gums are used in the preparation of diet products. Even some of the gums are used in the preparation of medicines. These many uses are there from the gums. Clear, students? Going for the next question. How do you describe a tannin? Tannins are generally an organic compounds. What are they? An organic compounds. Basically, they are organic compounds. At the same time, polyphenolic. They are organic compounds. That is clear. At the same time, they are polyphenolic biomolecules. That is one more character of a tannin. And one more thing, the term tannin refers to tanning of an animal skin. You know that from dead animals skin is collected. Even from the butcher shop, skin is collected. The collected skin undergoes for a process called tanning. Through this tanning process, the animal skin can be used for the further applications in the life. So these are the different descriptions for the tannins. They are organic compounds, polyphenolic biomolecules. Polyphenolic biomolecules, they can react with certain kind of proteins and also amino acids which are present in our body. Okay. Next, fifth question. Do roots secrete? You know that there are two different types of root systems are seen in different types of plants. Some of the plants like monocotyledons, they have fibrous root system. Some of the plants like dicotyledons, they have taproot system. Anyway, any kind of root system it is, they can secrete any substance. Are there any products which are coming from the roots? Yes, definitely. Some of the components are coming from the roots, such as like proteins are coming from roots, sugars, amino acids, even enzymes and other kind of biomolecules can be secreted from other plants. So these are the various products that are secreted from the plant products. These are scientifically called as roots or root exudates. So this is the assignment key. With the help of solutions and some diagrams I have given. Remaining assignment keys we will discuss later. Until be safe. Thank you. Have a brightful day.